I'm a punk rocker, yes I am. Hi, I'm going to a punk concert. Every time I try to be fun on video, I always feel awkward and stupid. Why is that? Hey dolls, I'm Dani and welcome to my channel. If you are new here and you like my videos and my style, please subscribe. I am really trying to be consistent with my posting and trying not to say so much, and I would really love if you subscribed. I'm trying to post 2 days a week. I haven't narrowed down the specific days. Sometimes it's Monday, sometimes it's Tuesday, sometimes it's Friday, sometimes it's Saturday. I can't get on a set schedule, but I am posting 2 times a week. One at least if some crazy thing happens in my life and I can't get to another one. But today I'm doing a slightly different video in that I want your help in deciding what I should wear to a punk concert that I'm going to this weekend. I am going to see the Interrupters, which is my second favorite band of all time, and this will be the first time I've seen them perform live, so I'm super excited, and I have no clue what to wear. I have 3 outfits that I narrowed it down to, and I would really love your help in picking what I should wear. If you could leave a comment down below and let me know. Also on Instagram, I will post what I did wear. So if you're not following me on Instagram, I will link my Instagram down below. So please follow me there. And let's get into the outfits. So that is all of my outfits. Please leave a comment below on what outfit you think I should wear, and if you think I need to tweak anything, like add a belt or a different hat or something, leave that below, and check me out on Instagram to see what I wore, and I will see you guys next time.